Hi friends, welcome to Tableau Talk. Today we will see how to add hierarchy in Tooltip. Like there are few requirements to add hierarchy in the Tooltip. As you can see my screen, like suppose there is a central region, east region, west region, but in the Tooltip we cannot directly pull the columns as it is not the appropriate way to show the tooltip. Like there is a drill down option, and if we pull the region or any individual field directly, then it will not give appropriate results. So to do that, we can create a calculation in Tableau. So now we will create a calculation in Tableau to achieve this. So just keep in mind, like when we create a calculation in Tableau, so the order of calculation must be postal code, then city, state, region, and country or region columns. So because to get appropriate result, the order must be from lowest granular level to highest granular level. So now we will write a calculation. So the calculation will be if max of postal code equal to minimum of postal code, then ATTR of postal code. So now we'll copy this line and we'll write else if paste. Now second will be city. Just replace postal code with city. Likewise, we'll create for all other values like state and province. Else if region, 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 and else if country, 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 and then we'll end the calculation. We'll name it as tooltip calculation. Create OK. And now we'll add this created calculation field in the tooltip. Now we'll name it as geography colon insert, and this tooltip calc field will create select OK. Now see, like we'll drill down. So suppose if we want to see the tooltip for United States, so see geography equal to United States. Now I will drill down one level below. Now you can see the region in the geography field as south, west, and its numbers. Now I will click on state and province. So you can see like Indiana, Iona, geography. So likewise, you can drill down till last level for end-to-end these things and postal code. So in this way, you can add a hierarchy in the calculation, and you can use that calculation in tooltip. So that this can solve your use case to add hierarchy field in your tooltip, and it can like show the tooltip based on drill down functionality in the Tableau. So if you go to the highest level, so it will show US and its sales. So I hope you all liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.